Hello, the internet. I've uploaded a bunch of YouTube videos about electronics projects, about gaming, whatever. I don't like the sound of my voice, so I've never talked in them. But I uploaded a YouTube short about this, and then I thought, you know what? Let's upload a slightly longer video, and I'll show you all how this works, because I think it's pretty cool. What you're looking at right now is a prototype of a battery-powered Arduino Nano. And I think that's pretty cool. So I'll walk you through how I did it. A while ago on Temu, I found this little board. This guy right here. Now this board is listed as a TP4056 lithium-ion charging module with boost converter and protection. This is the heart of the whole operation. This right here isn't just a typical 18650 battery. I pulled it from a Roomba of a gentleman that I work with, and yeah. This is a USB Type-C pin-out board. So you've got your voltage, your ground, and then your D plus, D minus pin. Critically, this will only work with a Type A to Type C cable. The reason for that being there's no pull-up, pull-down resistors on this board. You can get boards that it would work with Type C and PD and all of that, but this was just a kind of a simple little project with whatever I had on hand, and this is what I had on hand. And this, of course, is our Arduino Nano. And I threw a little switch in so that I can kill the power to the Nano whenever I want. So let's walk through it a little bit. So on your TP4056, you have several different nice and clearly labeled pinouts. So your VIN, very at the bottom there, your VIN is your voltage in. So that comes from your V pin on the USB-C pinout board. And then your ground is your voltage ground. So again, that's incoming voltage from here. So these two wires go to the two spots on the bottom there, V in and ground. Now, right above them, you have bat and ground. Bat, if you can believe it, goes to the battery. That's your positive to your battery, and ground is your negative off your battery, your ground off your battery. Then at the top, you have out 5 volts and ground. And again, if you can believe it, that out 5 volts is your 5 volts out. And the ground is the ground for it. So your out 5 volts comes over to, where is it? Here it is. The 5 volt in on your Arduino Nano. See that right there? Red wire coming into the 5 volt in, and the ground goes to the ground. So this Nano is not doing anything right now, but it is going to control some motors for me, and we're going to make a little robot. But the very first step I wanted to do was I wanted to have a battery-powered Arduino Nano, and I have one. Disconnect the USB-C, and it's still working. This little module, it'll show you your voltage. You see that? So your top LED is for 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. The 75% actually looks like a 76%. I'm not sure why you would want to know 76%, but whatever. And when it is plugged into the wall, it will constantly be on. It'll show you the levels all the time. When it's not plugged into the wall, you push the button and it'll show you. I think the button actually also does change whether it's discharging. Yeah, so it'll turn it on and off believe there was some customization you can do with that. But yeah. So there you have it. That's a battery-powered, USB Type-C chargeable Arduino Nano for all your fun projects. Are there more efficient ways to do this? I don't know. Are there better ways to do this? I don't know. Are there cleaner ways to do this? Absolutely. This is a complete mess. But this is the way I did it.